In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks in Brave. If you're new to Brave or just want a quick refresher, a bookmark is a simple shortcut that saves a page you want to get back to quickly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a page, name it clearly, and place it where it's most useful to you. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Give it a moment to load so everything is ready. At the top of the window, you'll see the address or search bar. This is where you can go directly to a website or search for something you're interested in. Click inside that bar and type anything you want. It could be the exact web address, like a news site or a blog you read often, or a general search phrase if you're exploring. Brave will display the page or the search results for what you typed. Let the page finish loading so you're sure you're bookmarking the exact content you want to return to. Once you're on the page you want to save, look toward the top of the browser near the address bar. You'll see the bookmarks icon, which typically looks like a small star. It's right beside the page link area, making it easy to spot. Click that star icon to start saving the page as a bookmark. This opens a small panel that lets you confirm the details before adding it. Here you can rename the bookmark. This is especially helpful if the page's title is long or unclear. Keep the name short and descriptive so it stands out later. Next, choose where you want to store the bookmark. If you have more than one place to keep bookmarks, such as different folders you've set up, pick the one that makes the most sense for this page. Placing similar pages together helps you find them faster when you come back. If you're not sure, the default location is perfectly fine and you can always move it later. When everything looks good, click Done. That's it, your bookmark is saved. The next time you need this page, you'll find it wherever you chose to store it, ready to open with a single click. Using this simple process each time you discover something worth revisiting will keep your browsing organized and efficient, and it only takes a moment once you get the hang of it.